In the small town of Eldridge, whispers of a sorrowful wailing echoed through the trees at night. Locals spoke of a strange woman appearing at the edge of the woods, her face obscured by a tangle of dark hair. It was said that if you ventured too close, the weeping would ensnare your heart, drawing you nearer to its source. One evening, drawn by curiosity and dread, a group of teenagers decided to investigate. Armed with flashlights, they entered the woods, laughter masking their fear. As they walked deeper, the weeping grew louder, a haunting melody of despair that chilled their bones. The air turned cold, shadows twisted among the trees. Suddenly, the laughter stopped. A figure emerged from the darkness, a woman with hollow eyes and a mouth twisted in a silent scream. Her hands, gnarled like old roots, beckoned them closer. Frozen in fear, they realized too late that the sound was not just sorrow, it was a warning. One by one, they turned to flee, but the forest